Upon entering the stadium, you have the right to verify whether the security service provider deployed is registered with CIRA. Visit www.cira.co.za to confirm their registration and training status for event security. Don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 160,000 subs! Welcome to Amabenzo TV. It's the Carling Black Label Cup. Orlando Pirates 1, Richards Bay 0. I'm joined by Upujabu.
Hey, Stibo.
Uyopekankanda ini ngani?
Kuzolunga brother. Stibo right.
Angemnandi Upujabu.
Ni travel right ne?
Asva grand.
Akuna stress. Stibo igame lemnandi le football.
Yes.
But I think before siqala lapho kunamaphutha esiwabonayo. Remember tina we are the South African football fans.
Yes.
So we are very jealous.
Yes.
Nge-football yethu yase South Africa.
Yes.
Kune under 20 idlalile under 20 yethu national team idlale ingateleviswa. Yaza yakhishwa after ama group stages. Currently we've got the under 17. SABC promised ukuthi bazoyi televisa. But kule iteshi zo switcha kuzona to check labafana.
Sure.
Kudlala ama horror movie lapha. And bayibhalile ukuthi idlala ku channel so. So when you go to that channel kudlala ama horror movie. So it's painful Stibo. Ngoba mawuchecka iTV uthola kudlala bo Bolivia. Kudlala bo England, kudlala bo in. These boys need our support. Asikwazi nokubabona. In order for us to see those boys, you need to either go to FIFA TV ubone lama game. It's unfair because remember these boys are young and there are young boys that wants to see them because they see themselves in those boys. So we need to see them as well. Mangabe badlala. I know ukuthi under 17 just through a game yabo 1-1. They are going to play another game. Can we please see those games? Boniswe labafana ba televise because we are paying our subscriptions usipatana ne license futhi ku SABC. So let us see those games.
That's true.
Stibo, let's deal with a conspiracy theory. There were Pirates fans that were saying, coach is not playing Umbata, Nombule, because the coach comes from Cameroon and he was sent by his country to destabilize Bafana since Siago AFCON. That's a conspiracy theory. I mean, I kwinto efana nale. Coach wethu into akayenzile manje because I listened to his interview after a game yakhe ne Sundowns. He said, I was watching Orlando Pirates last season. Ebe coach wa Coach Rivero. Ati they had the best starting 11. But and then that starting 11 went on to win 7 games in succession without a loss. But kwafika FIFA break. Maibuya FIFA break. With the games that we had in hand, the starting 11 started to collapse. Kwaqala injury, kwaqala fatigue because remember we're also part of FICAF. So we had plenty of games. So he's saying I've got 26 players and they need to be ready. So anybody that I'm going to take from the bench, introduce, that person should be ready. Uthi yena akana starting 11. And that also helps ngani Stibo nge preparation ye opponent. It becomes very difficult for an opponent to analyze Orlando Pirates. Because remember, uma ba plan ukuthi badlale ne Arrows, baqale ngoSiyema, baqala ngoLibitso. Mageza today ukhipha uSiyema ufaka uSibisi. Ukhipha uLibitso ufaka uVan Rooyen. Now you are confused because ma analyze a game, analyze ne player ukuthi mayidlala ibhola ithanda ukuya ngakubo. But now makungena another personnel in the ground, you are confused, you don't know what to do. So I'm saying Pirates fans, relax. And be patient with the coach. Siyayibona thina indlela. In a space of 2 months, we are now going to a second final, which we are going to win, by the way. So, Stibo, I'm saying to all the Orlando Pirates supporters, we'll wait for Ikemi Arrows tomorrow and Marumo Gallants. Whoever that is going to win, obviously, final. We don't care who we meet. Tina Stibo were ready, and we can tell you now ukuthi another cup is in a bag.
Yeah.
Stibo definitely sishilo sathi this year into enye nenye siyayithatha.
Yeah.
Any cup that is available domestically we are going to take it. Asikakhohlwa ke ukuthi nalabe bebathi amampunge le yanto ye CAF case
Yeah.
bathi asifakanga cala.
Yeah.
Nalapho sikhona and siyezwa nje ukuthi labafana labaselipopo bangazithola basenkingeni. Mabasenkingeni Stibo sishilo sathi siyangena.
Yeah.
And if isingena obviously the mangcheka I group.
Yeah.
We might be in the same group neSandawana. Urulani naye it's in the same group. These are South African teams and coaches. Sazoba mnandi ezweni Stibo. Yeah, so Stibo siyabonga ngehospitality yase KZN. Asiphethe kahle amaphoyisa abafethu eKZN bagcwalisa inkundla. So siyakuthanda lokho. So Stibo sizobonana ku final iPirates Masayithathe Cup. My man of the match I will say the whole team.
The whole team.
First half Stibo sidlalile. I think we were all over Richards Bay.
Yes.
But they came back second half. I will say a game of two halves in my opinion.
Yes.
Badlalile second half. Yeah. But how do you beat that quality of Pirates? You can't, Steve. You can't. So we are going to a final to Itata.
Yeah.
Quality.
Did you know you can also verify the registration status of security officers by scanning the QR code on their SIRA identification card?